Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so let's start now. So guys, what was the last topic we have seen? I think we were looking into this integration with the Amazon. Am I right?
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
Hmm?
Yes.
Okay, so let's continue. So okay, guys, let's begin with this. So basically, this case study is it's nothing but it's here we are going with the cross cloud computing, wherein we are integrating the AWS S3 bucket with the ADF. Okay, which means that we are taking the data from the AWS and S3 bucket, and with some files, that means some multiple files we are having it. So we are using those multiple files to access the data into the Azure blob storage. So for that, what is AWS S3 bucket? Just I wrote some point. I'm just refreshing it once before we move forward. Okay, so for that, guys, okay, we have it here. Just a minute. Okay, so for that we have S3 storage is a service from AWS platform. S3 stands for simple storage service, which is known as object storage service. S3 is a scalable storage service and unlimited storage. Okay, and as a object storage, which can store unstructured data such as files, images, videos, etc. That means it can store basically, guys, it can store basically the unstructured data. That is nothing but unstructured, structured, and semi-structured. Means what? These three types of data. Okay, guys, this three type of data can be stored here. This three type of data can be stored here in the S3 bucket. That means the S3 bucket is similar to the Azure blob storage. Is similar to what is that? Azure blob storage. So blob stands for what? Binary large object. Am I right? So whereas here also it is the same. And bucket is a container which is used to organize the unstructured data. That means within the blob storage, you have a container. So we create the containers, input containers and output containers. Am I right? So the same way here we have it. What is that? The unstructured, that is nothing but data can be stored in the same. Whereas there are two types of bucket that can be created. That is, first one is the private bucket and the second one is the public bucket. Private bucket is nothing but what? By default, every bucket will be private only. And we will be creating it, or we will be making it what? We will be making it what? We will be making it a public bucket by enhancing the or by changing the bucket policy. Anyways, so what is that? We have it bucket policy. Bucket policies are given access to the public. Private bucket are given restricted access. Okay, private bucket can be converted into public bucket again. Okay, every bucket needs a, guys, every bucket need a that is bucket policy to be defined here. Okay, and this is how we just go here with the Amazon. So what's it? console.aws.amazon.com. Okay, so everyone, so let's begin here, guys, everyone. So let's begin with this. So let's begin with this. So now I'm going ahead with the practical. So for this, so let's start up. Okay, I'm starting. Everyone is able to see the screen here. Everyone? Yes, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so now I'm just starting the resource group. So I'm just creating the resource group. So I'm using a Amazon to, what is that we have it? Amazon to Azure blob RG. That means I'm integrating the Amazon to Azure blob RG. So I'm just creating it, review and create as it is. Then the resource group is ready, guys. So this is ready first. Now, soon after this, just open this. Now, guys, soon after this, just open this. And now type it here as Amazon console. Amazon, okay, S3 bucket. Can you see here? I'm using what's it? Simple storage 3. That's it. So I'm a root user. Click on the next. And now assign the password. So just a minute. So this is the, I'm just trying to log in already because we have done it in the last task. So just a minute. So let's enter this B2C. This is the F5. Am I right? Okay, guys. So that's it, guys. Now here, this is nothing but, guys, everyone. This is the Amazon Web Services. Okay. That is nothing but the console we have it, guys. So here you have what's it? Amazon S3. So now, guys, this is the thing we have it. We're already, can you see here? All of you, this is the main page. This is the main page, guys, everyone. This is the main page. This is the main page. Okay. And whereas to begin with this, we have to create a bucket. So bucket is nothing but what? Guys, can you tell me what do you mean by bucket? Yes, guys. Bucket is a
storage place.
yes, it is just like a storage. It is just like a storage. It is just like a storage. So here we will have to create. So the storage, that is for that we have to create a bucket. So bucket is just click on the create. And we have to give the bucket name. That means for a blob storage. It is just like a blob storage. So I am creating a blob storage here. That's it. Okay. So now guys, can you see here? Use it here, the bucket name. So use the bucket name, guys. Any name you can provide it. So I'm using the name as, okay. Let's give a, because the capitals are not allowed here. So I'm using bucket bucket info. Okay. Bucket information. I'm using what's that? Bucket information 90. The name of the bucket, I'm using it as what? Bucket information 90. That's it. And by default, it is creating in this okay region. So if you want, you can change it here. Okay. If you want, you can change it here, or else you can leave it as it is. It doesn't matter. So guys, again, you have what is that? Can you see here? So just click on block all public access. That means what? By default, as you know, it will be a private bucket. By default, it will be a private bucket, but I wanted to make it a public bucket here. So hence, I'm using what is that? I'm unchecking the box. I'm unchecking the box called what? Block all public access. Block all public access. Okay. Block all public access. And now select the acknowledgement. Select the acknowledgement, guys. And next one is finally come down and click on the create bucket, guys. Now the bucket is successfully created. See here. It is created successfully or not, guys? Hello?
Yes.
So now it is created. So soon after this, just open this. Now can you see here? Now we have opened it. Can you see here? What is it says now? Just a minute. Go back to the bucket now. Just go back to this bucket. What does it says here? Just check everyone. Objects can be public. That means currently it is not a public bucket. Still it is a private. It is still a private bucket. But it says object can be public. It means what? This objects can be converted as the public. The objects can be converted as a public. So now click on this, guys. Now can you see here? Click on this. Next, immediately soon after this, what is it you have to go? So go to the permissions tab. Click on the bucket and go to the permissions tab. Scroll down, guys, everyone. So guys, everyone, just come back. First of all, we have to go with the, okay, we have to, first of all, can you see here? Define the bucket policy, but whereas the bucket policy, you have to, can you see here? You have to select it here. Anyways, for the bucket policy, access control list. What is it? You have it? Access control list has to be enabled first. That means what? Bucket owner enforcement is applied. Access ACL means what? Access control list. The access control list is will enable us to assign the owner, this thing. That is nothing but we can write our own bucket. We can write our own policies to control the bucket. So now I'm just editing it right away. Can you see here? Just it is disabled right now. So I wanted to enable it. Select the acknowledgement. Select the acknowledgement. And now come bottom. And now can you see here? Click on the save changes. So now just come back. So select it here. Access control list. Here you have it now, guys. Just click on edit. Click on edit. Click on edit now. Now, guys, I'm assigning this particular, can you see here? Basic, reading credentials, writing credentials. That means permissions, we have to allow it. So every public bucket, can you see here? Can list, select the list and select the read. Means what? Read and write. Read and what's it? Write here. Can you see here? List is write. That is here. What is it? You have it? Read and write. So we have to give it as it is. Read and write information. Okay. So read and write information. So we have to give it. Once it is done. Once it is done, guys, come down. Select the acknowledgement. Select the acknowledgement and click on the save changes. That's it, guys. Click on save changes. That is fine now. Now again. Now it has turned the access to the public. That means now the bucket is what? It is a public bucket. See here now. Before it was object can be public. Now it is public bucket or not? Please tell me. Hello. I want a reply from every one of you. Yes, guys.
Yes.
So open this. Following na everyone?
Yes.
I'm getting only one voice. What about the rest of you guys? Please respond, ma. So next after this. Yeah. So next after this. Okay, next after this. come down here and click on the edit policy. Can you see it? Edit policy, bucket policy. Now click on the bucket policy. And now this is called as ARN name. That is Amazon resource name. Copy this, Amazon resource name, copy this. And now here come back to your this one. Can you see it? Just paste it here, Amazon resource name. This is required here, so I'm copying it. Now, guys, click on this bucket policy. You have to define it. So now what you have to do is click on policy generator. Click on the policy generator. Everyone, click on the policy generator. And now, guys, here you have to define the policy for the bucket. So, guys, everyone. Okay, guys. So now, first of all, select what is it? From the select policy, that is a selected type of policy, select the S3 bucket policy. That means we are defining the policy, or we can say some rules for the S3 bucket. And next one was that the statement is formal description of a single permission. So here can you sir for the principal, all the permissions I wanted to allow it. So for that use star. Star means what? All. So and now what is the action you wanted to perform on this bucket? Can you see here? What are the actions? So now I want to give the all services means I wanted to give it here some permissions. What are the actions? So I wanted to read and write. So read means what? I can use the get objects. Can you see here? First of all, read access is nothing but what? Get objects. I'm just choosing two actions here. Anyways, you can choose many other actions as well. Select the get objects, and the next one was it? Put object. Get object means read object, guys. Put object means write objects. Select it. That's it. These are the two actions I wanted to give it here. And now here you have a ARN. So we have already copied the ARM, na? Amazon resource name. Just paste it here and click on add statement. Click on add statement. Add generate policy. Click on what's it? Generate policy, guys. This is the policy. You have it. Copy this. Copy this, everyone. Copy this. And now copy this. And once it is copied, and go back and paste it here. Come back and paste it here as it is. That's it, guys. And once you have pasted everything, just come down and click on the save changes. What is the problem? So it's giving some error. Just a minute. So just click on this, go back. So here copy this, properly copy this. What is the error? Action does not apply to resources in the statement. Just a minute, guys. So now just come back. Go back. Yeah, why? Because ARM name, just a minute. Bucket. Start over. Okay. So now, guys, I'm just filling up again. Just a minute. S3 bucket, and now use it here. The star, everyone. Now just use a star here, and now select the first of all get action, get objects, and next one select the put objects. And now just give the Amazon resource name here. So just copy from here the Amazon resource name, which you have already I've pasted in the file. So just copy this, copy it back, click on this. So now this is the root folder, which may have some can you see here subfolder. So for that we have to use what? /star. We have to use what? /star here. That's it. Okay. /star. That's it, guys. Forward /star. Click on add statement. Add statement. Now the I can see here S3 get object and S3 put object. So click on the policy generator now. Now the policy is generated. So can you see the policy got generated in the JSON format? Just copy this as it is. Just copy this, guys. And now come back. Now I'm just doing it here. Paste it here. Just wait. Now it is created, guys. Everyone, hello. Yes, guys, it's created now.
Yeah.
Successfully created. That's it, guys. And once it is created, then let us go ahead with this. Okay. So that's it, guys. So now just go to the bucket now. Now the can see the bucket can be accessed by any of this. Just open the bucket now, and now click on the upload. Click on the upload. Upload the files here. So guys, I'm using the files. Click on add files. Everyone, click on add files, and now start adding the files here. That's it. So now, guys, we have a planes, routes. Sorry, planes, routes, sales, movies, items. Okay, then we have export. I mean, we have many files, guys. So employees 20, employees 10, employees SQL, copy, open all of them. So now come down. Here you will have a button called upload button. So just click on this. Now once you upload, click on the upload button, the files will be uploaded here. All the files, whatever we have it will be uploaded. Okay, guys? Everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
That's it, guys. Now see here. All the can you see here? Totally these many files are uploaded. How many files are there? Can you see here? 9 files. How many files are there, guys? 9 files are there. Am I right? So is this process clear for everyone or not? Please.
Yes.
Hello? Okay. So now next after this, once this is done, guys, so leave it as it is. And now just go back to the Azure. Just opening this, everyone. I'm opening this. And now, guys, okay, we have what is that? Storage. And click on the create. So can you see Amazon to the resource group is already selected. Now, guys, I'm just creating the sync storage. The sync storage is what? Blob here. So sync blob. Okay, sync blob target. I'm giving sync blob target as the name of my target. So as it is a can you see here blob storage? So we can use it review, and then we can go with the create option. Then we can go with what is that? Create option as it is, guys. Just click on the create. Just click on the create. So it's creating, just wait. Okay, it's ready. So just go to this. Now, guys, from the left blade, click on the container. From the left blade, click on the container. Left blade, click on the container. So John, select it here. Everyone just click on the new container. And now, guys, I'm using the container name as an output because on input already we have chosen it from the Amazon. So you see it output. Yes, guys, everyone, output. And now click on the create. That's it, guys. Click on this. It should be empty or not? Tell me, everyone. This should be empty always because it should not have any data here. Am I right? It should not have any data now. It should be empty. Yeah, so leave it as it is, everyone. So now just open the data factory now. Just go and create the data factory. So for that, guys, just to start with the data factory. So I'm starting the data factory. And now click on the create. And now select the resource group. And now use it here. Instance. Okay, instance. What should you have it? Instance. Let us give it as Amazon 2. Okay, Azure blob. Already we have created it previously. Instance Azure Amazon 2 Azure blob. I'm creating it. And region and all these things, it can be okay, anything, you can leave it as it is. So guys, just once more go to the basics. Now it will be changed here. And now, guys, click on the review and again click on the create. Now let's wait for this. Click on go to resource. Okay, guys, so now here we have it. Now, guys, click on the launch. Launch the studio. And now once you have launched the studio, guys, everyone, launch the studio. Okay, so let's wait here. So, guys, from the left blade, click on the expand tab. Expand this tab. And now can you see here, you will have 4 tiles here. Manage, monitor, author. So as you know, we just click on the monitor and now click on the new linked service. Now tell me, we have to define how many link services here? 2. One for the source and one for the target. This is my target. Am I right? So these 2 you have to link it with. Right now, this what is it? You have it. These 2 you have to link it with the data factory. So for that, I'm creating the link service first. And first link service you have to create it for what, guys? Tell me now. This is nothing but Amazon S3 bucket. So just type it here. Already it's here. If it is not here, you can say S3 also, you can type it directly. So S3 bucket is there. Open this, guys. And now, so assign the name. So I can give it any name. So ls underscore Amazon underscore source. Now that's it, guys. So access key. So where do you get this? Can you see access ID and secret access key? Tell me now. You have to get, we'll be getting in what? The bucket only. So just come back, everyone. Just come back. I think here you have to go under the, can you see? Right hand side corner. Can you see? Right hand side top corner. So select what is that? So security. Click on the security credentials. Click on the security credentials, everyone. So click on the security credentials. Just a minute. So now once you have been to the security, this thing, just come, security credentials, come down. Can you see it? Here you have a one key is there. So I'm just deactivating it. I'm deleting it. Okay. So this is the existing key, guys. Okay. So I'm just, it is an active key. So anyways, leave it as it is. So I'm creating a new access key. So understand this, click on this, click on the create access key. So this is the access key, everyone. Okay. So guys, here is the, so you can just copy this. Show it now completely. You can see I'm copying this and just paste it here. Access key and secret access key. Copy this. Just copy this and just paste it here. And now just put the control. Paste it here. See, guys, this is the password. This is a, you can say access key. That's it, guys. Click on the done. Now, guys, go here. So, guys, it is fine now. 1 minute ago, you have created this. Am I right, everyone? Hello?
Yes.
So, select it here. Action. Click on this. I want to delete the first. Or, okay, I wanted to delete it. Just click on the delete. And now, guys, copy this name. Just copy this. And now, can you see here? Deactivate. Okay. Okay, that's it now. Delete. That's it, guys. Finished. That is deleted. Okay. So now this is the only active key you will have it right now. Okay. Fine. So just come back to this. And now here in the access key, you can mention this access key, whatever you have copied from there. That is called as a access key. So just copy this, everyone. So just use it here. And now from the secret access key, copy. Copy this. And now again, come down. That's it, guys. Finished. Test connections. Now, guys, once you select the test connections, it should be successful. So click on the create. So this is the major part of, this is the glitch actually you'll have it where you require to, where you require to define it. Okay, ultimately. So guys, that's it. Now you have it. and now select it a new. And then you have, what is that, guys? The next after this you have, what is that? Use a blob storage here. The second link service you have to create for the blob storage now, because my target is the blob ultimately. ls underscore blob underscore. Yes, guys, sync. This is the sync, you have it. And now select the subscription. And now select the storage. That's it, guys. It's fine now. And click on the test connections. Fine, everyone. Click on the create. And now, guys, once it is created, the link services are ready. What is the next process, guys? You have to tell me now. Everyone, please respond.
Go to the pipeline.
Yeah, so you have to create the pipeline. So for that, go to the author. So you can create the dataset directly here, or else you can also create the dataset within the pipeline. Anything you can do it. That's not a problem. So currently, I will just create it here because for more clarity, once we go into the depth of the subject where you require to create mini datasets, at that time, what we will do is we'll create directly in the pipeline. Okay, now as of now, I'm just creating it. Click on this dataset. You have 3 dots. Click on the new dataset. And now, guys, the first data set, you have to create it for what? S3. So I'm using the S3 storage. Select the S3 storage. And now whatever files you have it in the S3 storage, guys, can you tell me, Amazon, what is this? What are the things you have it here? Guys, everyone. So just go up. You have files, whatever files you have it. Yes, guys, whatever files you have it. You have the file called what? Okay, anyways, I'm just going back here. S3, sorry, S3, I have it. So select this S3. So here you have it. Can you see it? Just open this. Guys, how many files you have it? 9 files, and these are all the CSV files you have it. Just click on this and select the CSV file. That's it. And now give the name here. So now I'm using it DS underscore. What's it? You have it? Amazon underscore. Sorry, Amazon underscore. You have, what is it? Source. Select it here. The link service you have created already. First select first was the header. Sorry. So and now, guys, select it here. And now select this one. Bucket info 90. You wanted to copy all the files, not a specific file, guys. Okay. As you wanted to copy all the files, don't select any specific file. Leave it as it is. Select the container. Okay. Click on OK. Sorry. Click on OK. Now it's ready, guys, as it is. The next one after this. Now the next thing. Sorry. Create another data set. So for that, click on this. Click on the new. And now the second one, you have to create it for the blob storage. So hence I'm using the blob storage. Select the blob storage. Again, you have what's that? Just remove this. Sorry. So here you have, what's it? DS underscore. What's it? You have it? Blob underscore sync. Select the link service. And now select the first one, header. And now, sorry, browse it. Select it to the output. That's it, guys. Click on the OK. Okay. That's it, guys. Fine now. Everything is done now. Now go to the pipeline. Click the new pipe. Start the new pipeline. Now give the name of the pipeline here. PL underscore Amazon to Azure blob. Amazon to Azure blob. Sorry. So guys, this is ready. So click on this move and transform. Drag and drop the copy activity because I'm using only the copy right now. So hence I'm using the copy activity. That's it, guys. Just a minute. Now, guys, this is ready. So go to the source, select the source data set. As you have multiple files, to read the data from the multiple files, you have to select the option called what? Sorry, wildcard file path. You have to select what's that? Wildcard file path. Select the wildcard file path. Select the sync. Select the sync data set, guys, everyone. Now that's it. Nothing else is there pending. Okay. And now instead of txt, you can give the file extension as a CSV. But this makes no difference. Still, if you want. That's it, guys. So finally run this. So it's queuing up the process. That means still it is processing. It is succeeded, guys. Go to the output. Can you see here, all of you? Everyone, guys, everyone. That's it,
Yes.
guys. So it is copied. That's it. So this is how we copy the data from Amazon Web Services. So guys, so now tell me, the cross cloud computing. What are the things we have seen? The cross cloud computing. Cross cloud computing. Cross cloud computing. So under this, we have seen already a Snowflake. Am I right, everyone? Yes, tell me, please, guys, respond. Snowflake, we have done.
Yes.
And now we have done already the Amazon. Okay. And next one, what is that we have done it? And RESTful API also we have done. Am I right?
Yeah.
So guys, we have done with the RESTful API. RESTful API also we have done. And the fourth one is nothing but we have it as a GCP. There is Google Cloud Platform. Okay. Google Cloud Platform. So now you have to see this once more. Google Cloud Platform. Google Cloud Platform. Okay. So these are the four cross computing techniques we have it. We are going to see it here. So this is GCP. We'll see it tomorrow, anyways. So guys, these are the things you have it. And apart from this, even guys, further, I went okay. I even wanted to just know here. So okay. So what are the things we have seen? So the basic, guys, the basic we have seen already. What is that? Uh, Azure Blob Storage to Azure Blob Storage copy. Azure Blob Storage to Azure Blob Storage. Okay. This is the first exercise you have seen. And second exercise we have seen what? Yes, guys. Azure Blob Storage to
Azure
Azure
SQL.
Data Lake. Data Lake Gen 2 also we have seen. No? And the third exercise we have seen it as what? Azure blob storage to
Azure
blob to
SQL DB.
Azure SQL DB, Azure SQL DB. That's it. And then we have seen, after this, what is that we have seen? Parameters.
Parameters.
Yes,
Three types
parameters.
of parameters.
Yes, parameters. Three type of parameters we have seen. Then afterwards, after the parameters, what is the next one we have seen? Linked services. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, links parameters. Parameters means what? Under this, again, you have seen two exercises. What are those? Uh, link service parameter you have separately seen, and we
Container
have
parameter.
and we have seen even the data set and pipeline parameter. So we can say the A here is the link service parameter. And then you have the next one as what is that? We have seen the pipeline and data set. Data set parameters. That's it, guys. Next, after this link service parameters, then we have used what is that? Bulk copy we have seen, guys. Tell me. Stored procedure we have used already, guys.
Yeah.
Using of stored procedure. So we have used already the stored procedure. Okay. And then what is that we have? That is also called as custom SQL query. Custom SQL query. Custom SQL query. So, okay, this is also the thing we have seen. And next, after this, pipeline audit log we have seen, guys.
No.
All of you. No, we have not seen the pipeline audit log. And now again, copy data tool also we have seen. Yes, CDT. That means
Yeah.
we don't use this thing directly. We use the mouse and do it. Copy data
And
tool.
copy different type of data sets like a JSON, CSV, APRO,
Okay, so
XML.
yes, so I think we have seen it. No, copy data tool is that where we just directly use it here. Can you see here? I'm going to the data factory homepage. So by using this ingesting,
Yeah.
we have already done this. So that
Mm.
means using this ingest to directly extract data. Have you done it or not? If not, I will do it. No
Yeah.
problem. Yes, done
Yeah.
already.
Yeah. Done it.
So that's it now. And then apart from this, copy data tool and uh, file conversion from CSV to JSON. Have you done? File conversion.
No.
Yes.
No. 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 No.
Okay, no problem. File conversion.
No. We see that the different types of file like CSV, XML
JSON to
in one
okay,
side.
okay, no problem, no problem. No worries. I'm just writing it here. CSV to JSON. Okay, so now not done. Next after this, okay. Uh again, as you know, keywords we have seen. Keywords you have not seen,
No.
no?
No.
Okay, keywords, Azure. Yes, so let us just check here. Azure keyword. Azure keyword, and then even the pipeline audit log.
No.
Pipeline audit log. Pipeline audit log. No. So now, guys, just a minute. So I can say that. So these topics we have not seen. Topics need to. Okay, that's it. So now need not worry here. Okay, then afterwards, audit log. Okay, then afterwards, I think incremental loading we have to see. Still, we have not seen the incremental loading. And bulk copy, we have seen the bulk copy.
Yeah,
No,
bulk of yes.
bulk copy. Yes, guys, I want a reply. Bulk copy.
Yeah, bulk of seen it.
Hmm. So I'm just adding it here. Incremental load, delta load. You have seen, no?
No.
Yes. No, no.
No, no, sir.
Then what is the bulk? Acha, bulk copy of tables. Okay. Okay, no problem. We will, if this is not seen, I will add it once more. The bulk copy. So bulk copy. Bulk copy. Okay,
Bulk of,
guys.
bulk of is that where we use the binary data types.
Pardon me.
I said that
No,
bulk
no,
of
no, no,
is
no,
that
no, 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 no. No, not that is not the thing. We have seen uh, multiple files copy using the binary. That is not bulk copy basically.
yeah.
So, anyways, rest of the topics are on the track, no problem. So actually, that's it, guys. So tomorrow we will see with the GCP integration, and then we will continue with the rest of the topics. No, actually, I got some information from the Durga Soft stating that I'm not following the course curriculum, and some of the people are not understanding the pattern of this thing, the topic. So that was the reason why I discussed this. So now, if you have any issues, please tell me, guys. No issues at all.
Samir, I didn't see from topics 4. So I joined on April 17th.
Okay. You joined on the April 17th. Okay.
Right.
So the video access is not there for you?
I have to find, okay, when
Just
this
see
was
if the
done.
video access is not there, if you can ask for the video access, they will provide you the video access. If the not an issue, then at least the
No,
topics.
but
Oh,
I
yeah, yeah.
don't have a list of topics you have covered, right?
Samir, you'll cover the transformations as well, right?
Transformation is not yet started yet. We have to see that there is a lot of things to see. Okay. Once we are just seeing right now the patterns of copy only. Still, we have not entered into the transformation part.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah. Please tell me. Somebody was telling something. Please.
No, to request the access, I don't know the topics that you have covered so far, right? So
Okay.
for this batch, so I
Okay.
just
So, out of these topics, what are the things you have not attended? Please tell me.
no, from 4, like 4 to 10, I haven't seen anything.
Okay. Parameters you have not seen.
Yeah.
6. The 10 means these topics are not covered yet. We have to see.
Yeah,
7, 8,
4 to
9, 10. We have
6.
to see. 4 to 6 are okay. I will. You just see whether this topic access is there or not. If not, I will ask them to give you the access. That's better, na? It is basically the even I think you did not get the access. That might be the reason of your getting disappointed on this.
No, I have the access, but I don't know which video. There are a lot of videos I see, but I joined on 17th only, but I see videos from March as well. I don't know
Okay.
which video to see.
Acha, that is the problem. So this is the pattern actually. You can follow this. Okay. So this is the pattern. You have it. So first of all, you will have Azure blob to blob, then Azure data lake. There is blob to data lake, and then you will have blob to Azure SQL, then parameters, and then stored procedure, copy data tool. In this way, that means the basic topics I will take it first, so that people should understand it. Okay. So now do one thing. Your name is what? Yuvraj.
Yeah, Samir.
So Yuvraj, what you can do is whichever the topic like which you have not this thing, having, that is the access is not there or this thing, just write it in the group. Okay, write it in the group, and I will see that the access is given to you at the earliest. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. So any other issues, guys? Okay. So we'll connect it tomorrow again. Okay. At same 6:30 we'll start the class. Okay. Okay. Even okay. I can understand about the timings. So we'll have it from tomorrow 6:30. There will be no delay in the time. All of you just connect at 6:30 sharp. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.